Hello, Tama. One of the biggest mistakes that we can ever make, yes, I use the word mistake, is this. Hey, I connected with Jim and Sally and Renee and different people online, and so I'm good. I've connected with them, and they are part of my team. They are part of my acting career, and that's great because I know that they're directing this film, and they're doing this, and they're over there doing that, and I'm in. I'm good. No, you're not. Friendship requires maintenance. How do you maintain a friendship? How do you maintain a marriage? How do you maintain any kind of relationship, personal or professional? You continue to talk back and forth. The moment that you cease or slow down from talking, that communication stops. It slows down and it goes into what I like to call the embers of a fire. Okay? It needs poking. You need to poke every day. You need to poke people, and I'm not talking about FB poke. I'm talking about calling them up on the phone, going on a Zoom call, heck, going out and having a coffee or going on set, doing something together to ignite that energy, to rekindle that flame. So today I'm going to tell you, don't be satisfied with, thank you for your friendship, thank you for your request. That's not enough. It's not enough. You need to stoke that fire. You need to stoke it and poke it and make sure that it becomes a roaring flame. Well, David, I don't have enough time, I don't think. Of course you do. You're alive, and you just have to prioritize your time like you prioritize your money. Two things that we have control over, just a little tip, okay? And think about this for just a minute. We have complete 100% control over what we do with our time and what we do with our money, because what we do with our time dictates what we do with our money. But friendship is wealth. The Bible says, if you want friends, you must show yourself friendly. Now, what does that mean? Yes, treating them with love and respect and kindness, and supporting them when they're down, cheering them when they're up. There's a video in my Tama library for all you students of mine, by the way. But it also means maintaining communication and keeping that flame alive. I want you to remember that today.